Are you?
हम्म
2020 is over now. 2021 has started. मग लाईफचं काय प्लॅन आहे?
बघू आता जे होईल ते आता वर्ष संपलं आता काय घरातच बसायचं आता काय बघू आता काय. Anywho, back to the episode. Bye. Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of the second season of Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I'm your host Ayushi Amrute, and today we have this Marathi social media star who is constantly making people laugh through his hilarious reels. Now he is a digital creator, a filmmaker, an actor, but most of all he is an entertainer. Please welcome Neil Sarkar.
Hello. I'll sound people. Check out, guys.
Hi Neil, how are you? Kasa आहेस
Hi.
तू?
Hello. All good. Yo.
First of all, Happy New Year, Neil, to you.
Yes, Happy New Year to you too. 2021. Let's hope for some better. At least 2020 के बाद 2021 एक फैक्टर तो अच्छा हो 2021 में, ऐसा कुछ मैं होप कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अभी तक
Counting on that
चीजें
one.
कुछ बदली नहीं है. या अभी तक चीजें कुछ बदली नहीं है, मतलब जो है जैसे है चलता आ रहा है, बस साल बदल रहा है और होप्स है. होपिंग इज द ओनली थिंग वी कैन hoping things is the only thing we can do.
So, yeah, here's a fun fact for y'all. During this lockdown itself, we had a chat. He interviewed me on his channel. It's called Meet
Yes.
the Flow. And now we are here today on my talk show. So, yeah, and
I never thought of this it will someday it will happen like this also. Like I never thought of this. I almost called you like a fan, and I was like, "Arey Aishi, please take interview open career."
and now
I was like,
how the tables have turned now. Oh my God.
no, not in a
But no,
not in
genuinely,
a
I
bad way, but
am.
I was like, yeah,
Of
yeah.
course, in a good way, because genuinely, I am your fan now. And let's move there only. In fact, now, like just in August, I think you celebrated having 10,000 followers.
Yes.
Next thing we know, like 4 months later, to 70,000 and counting followers on Instagram. म्हणजे काय
Yeah,
आता
yeah.
काय माझ्या पाठून पुढे गेलं पण आता काय आता काय
Shit, पाठून पुढे. मैं
but
असं नाहीये. It is
what
not
is
like that. I
like
don't know. I'm just creating content, dude. मला माहिती नाही. I have never. I have been creating content since 2017, 16
I
on
know.
YouTube, and but I never created content on my handles or my channel as such.
Yeah.
I have worked for so many like big companies, big brands, but I have always created content for them. Not only like ads and stuff, but like whatever I do now, I have been creating content for like other platforms or other people or other
Yeah.
companies. But this lockdown made me do it for me, and then the game started,
Aren't you
and then
feeling
reels
lucky?
happened.
Yeah. Aren't you feeling
Yeah,
blessed
actually,
having this
yeah.
lockdown?
Yeah. I am. If anyone asks me like how was your 2020, I'll be like, it was the best year of my life. After 2014, 2020 is my best year. Like it's the
Wow.
best year because I have done so many things in 2020. Not only this content creation, but I have grown on different levels. Like so much realizations you got. Like I came to know mom again, newly. I have become mature over the years, but I didn't realize, I didn't give time to her, I didn't talk to her. And then the game began in March and May, and then it started happening. यार family के साथ मजा आया बहुत. Like first time after childhood, I was so excited that mom is going out for for groceries, and I was curious ki is she going to bring ice cream? Oh
Oh.
yes, I was like calling her, mom, please please, as ice cream, please. No. We had it yesterday. No. See your weight. But she surprisingly brings, and after the dinner, surprisingly she get some ice cream. Come. I was like, oh, ice cream. So I was first time I went back to my childhood days. Ki, ice cream handla hai. It was in lockdown. Eating an ice cream was such a privileged thing.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah, so I want to know, like, which is the first reel that went viral for you?
So
Was it
reel,
Babdya?
yeah, kind of. Actually,
That's
the
what I
thing
thought.
is, before reels, a video went viral, which actually
Oh,
boosted me. Reels were not yet launched by then. It is. I'm talking about like in March or April. I did a boss and a video call between a boss and a colleague. Sorry, a boss and a
I think I watched this,
some
yeah.
that was the video which almost got me like 8-9 lakh views on Facebook, and
Wow.
that got viral on WhatsApp and stuff. Then I got motivated ki, yeah, nahi, we should keep doing it. Sorry, I should keep doing it because there's some scope. I just felt it. So I started, and then Reels actually launched, and Reels made it very easy for me to like it. For me, I was busy. I was not into full-time content creation. I am now into full-time content creation, but back then I was working for a company as a social media head. So I was damn very busy. I was handling 3 channels at the same time, and Reels made me think at least you can bro take out, like you can bring a 15 second content in a day. Kasapan, you can. And then after 3-4 reels, I saw that there's a good reach coming to me, and people. Basically, the thing was, I have been doing this type of, if you call it a quality content, I have been doing this type of quality content for us like years, but
I know.
nobody had noticed me. Was the only thing. And the reels ka whatever the push Instagram had, I don't know if fake, whatever
Yes,
the push it
no,
had,
no, it did
it
have.
made me visible for people, and people landed up on my profile, and there it got whatever they like. They udhar sab mehnat ka, fal ek hi saath mil gaya, and then it was like the audience build up. After 10K I was the Babra thing also, it worked. The Babra thing was like it was a time pass thing, which I used to crack jokes on Babra at my home, and we used to all enjoy it. One day I just realized ki okay,
Do
let's
something.
whatever I'm talking, let's take a video of this. And I did a video, I uploaded it, and eventually people forced me so much that eventually it turned out to be a character. Like
Oh,
I
it
made it a
was
character. I
so
had.
funny. Oh my God. I was laughing my
Yeah.
butt off because all of us, my parents watched that show at home, and we used to like, why is he like this? Yeah, like, guy has a problem, guy. And then once, like, when I saw your video, I was like, dude, he's speaking my language right now. This is what I'm feeling.
Exactly. I found an exact knack. I gave a simple thought to it. Many people are like abusing him in in their minds. They are abusing. What the fuck are you doing? Like they are like this. I thought let's speak out their minds.
Yeah,
That's it. It's
you
the
did
only
that.
thing I do.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
But so like you were mentioning something about your parents, and
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
you are so connected with them now. And
Yeah.
I let's talk about that. I want to know, like you mentioned, like you involve your eye in most, like in a lot of videos
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah. In a lot of videos. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to know the process behind it. Like, does she like willingly do it, or do you like की तू लाई तू कर माझ्यासोबत, or is it like नाही मला
So
करायचंय?
though the willingness is now, not it was not earlier. So earlier it was like she was also home, and she's a working woman, and she's busy a lot. But while in lockdown it was a chill. So पहले 4-5 video तो she okay, let's do ये वो ऐसा वैसा. We started in fun, and then it got a good response. She has that one habit of like, while before sleeping, she checks my profile, checks all my stories, checks all my comments. Even I don't check all my comments, but she checks. So she saw that many people are commenting, your mom is savage, your mom is so cool, your mom is this, your mom is that. So she started getting that feeling, okay, this is something like for real. My dad did 1 or 2 videos, but he was like, "Mala त्याच्यात घेऊ नको. I don't want to be in that." So
Yeah.
I was like, okay, chill, okay, cool. So now it's cool, but now she's very busy, so I don't make many videos, and also I don't like to, keep doing it repeatedly. I'll bring her for a main video, कुछ ऐसा बड़ा अच्छा दन का वीडियो रहेगा तो मैं इसको बुलाऊंगा, नहीं तो मैं नहीं डिस्टर्ब करूंगा. ऐसा मेरा अभी एक है थोड़ा.
Nice. All right. It's time for us to play the first game of this episode.
Whoa.
Yes.
Okay.
It's called Dramaccent.
Dramaccent.
Yeah. So basically, what this game means, what the name means is drama plus accent, Dramaccent. But yes, so the game rules are pretty simple. We have a bowl full of chits. There are 2 sets of 4 chits. Okay, one set consists of Bollywood dialogues. Okay, the second one has accents in it. Okay,
Okay.
but here's a surprise for you. I have changed it a little bit. These 4 chits, it has your characters in it.
Okay.
So we have Soham, aka Babdya, we have Shifa, we have Yaya Didi, and we have Baba Gandishi. I'm not going to say it how it is. But yeah, so basically what you have to do is you have to pick a number from 1 to 4, okay, twice. And whatever numbers you pick, those will be your Bollywood lines and your characters. And then you have to deliver that line with that character.
Okay. Great. So let's go with 3 and 2.
Oh, you're okay. Let's do this. Your line is, बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा, लक्षण ठीक नहीं लग रहे तुम्हारे. Okay?
Okay.
And your character is Shifa.
Oh, ये तो भाई शिफा का ही है.
Exactly. All right.
This is looking more like Bhuvan Ma'am, yaar.
And whenever you're ready.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा तुमसे, तुम्हारे लक्षण ठीक नहीं दिख रहे, तुम जाओ बेटा, सो जाओ बेटा, मम्मी के बाजू में जाके तुम सो जाओ, चलो 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 निकलो, चलो चलो.
All right. Without wasting any time further, let's do this one more time. Pick
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Now this 1, 3.
Your line is, बचपन से ही ना मुझे शादी करने का बहुत क्रेज है, by God. Okay, and your character is Yaya Didi.
I'm so relieved. Okay. Yeah, guys, बचपन से ना actually मुझे शादी करने का बड़ा ही crazy, by God, I so love those, wedding and flowers and all those, the shehnais, I love it, and the guys, just playing trumpets and the people dancing like this, I like it very much. Indian dance, I love it. Weddings, paneer tikka masala, puri bhaji, pickles, cucumber, I like it very much. एका डायलॉग और लँड अप नाही करू शकत नुसतं.
No, you need build up, obviously, and it's fun. It's fun. I think I'm going to do this one more time. Chalo.
हाँ, 2 and 4 चलो.
2 and 4. I hope it's Babdya. I miss Babdya. Wait. Your dialogue is, मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया मेरा
तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया मेरा. Okay. It's Babdya. Oh, how is this happening?
I think I'm manifesting it. I'm manifesting it.
You're manifesting it. Okay.
It's Babdya and the line is, मेरा तो लाइफ इतना खराब हो गया.
Okay. The Babdya is here. अरे यार आई यार, मेरा तो लाइफ इतना खराब हो गया, क्या करूं, मुझे को घर से निकाल दिया यार, मेरे को यार आई यार काय यार, शुभ्रा मेरा घर तो निकाल ले यार, मेरा लाइफ खराब हो गया यार आई.
Wow, Neil, you have done a fantastic job at Dramaccent. I think you should clap for yourself. Wow.
Correct.
So, I want to know what worked for you. Like, what do you think worked for you in terms of going viral? Like, what's your theory of going viral?
So the thing I followed from a very long time is being original. Like I knew ki people are loving me right now because I know ki if I started copying someone, like okay, his content is working, this like a Bhuvan Bam style content is working, I'll also do a Bhuvan Bam type of a content or this or that. So I always knew this from the start ki I whatever you do it like it should be your style. No
Yeah,
one can look, people should imitate you. You should not
definitely.
imitate someone. That I had in mind, and it is getting it established now because whatever, if I did this Kai at the Kai thing was a shittiest joke. Like it's a shittiest joke I cracked 4 years ago on a friend. Who knew this will become a trend in 2020 just because I
Exactly.
did it? You're getting a point. See, so I I try to keep it very natural. However I am. People always tell me, "अरे आज full pant घातली." So I was like, dude, मला नाही आवडत full pant. मी 3/4 मध्ये मी लग्नात पण जाऊ शकतो. It is me. So whenever I pull up full pant, people always start commenting, "Oh भाई आज full pant, आज full pant." So but they
Yeah,
also comment कि no भाई, Neil, he's like what he is. He's never thinking how people will think about me. Okay, so is this shirt looking nice? Okay, my tummy is looking. ये सब मैं नहीं सोचता. क्योंकि what I feel is कि if people like your work ना, however you are, they will like you. ये काम बोलता है भाई, बस काम बोलता है. But I think is like be what you are. My point is कि be what you are and try like be in your element only. Don't थोड़ा भी fake थोड़ा हुआ ना तो वो people know it the second you change your expression also on your face na they know I is faking it. I don't know how, but I have observed this. So यही है कि be creating my something own and a type of a comedy or a genre of a comedy was the only thing I thought ki will work for me, and that exactly worked for me. Yes, it took time.
when they remember you like that, that creates magic for you, I'm sure.
Yeah,
But I want to
yeah.
know, like, what is it that you would like to recommend to someone who is like just starting off in the world of content creation? In
Hmm.
general, like, someone who doesn't have like a lot of subscribers, a lot of followers, like,
Hmm.
but they've just started off. Like, what would you recommend to them?
What I think is key like work whatever you are trying to create. Please check key. There's no one who has created like it before because we live in the same world. Our surrounding news, trends, everything is same,
Yeah,
and the time zone is same. Everything is same. So there is a possibility that you get the same idea of
definitely.
like someone. So and it is very common that whatever we have seen we try and create like that only. I'm trying to say it, imagine a Taj Mahal which you have not seen and someone had told you to draw it, then what you will draw as a Taj Mahal, do that. You're doing it like मुझे भी नहीं पता ये कैसे टर्न आउट होने वाला है. It's that level of new. You should do it like that level of new. Then
Wow,
only you reach to some 10-20% of some original piece. Every time it's my at least my I try to do it. I don't know how much percent I succeed in that, but it's the only that thing that is keeping me original. Yeah, that is
definitely.
the thing. So that's the best thing, that you always keep on doing new things because of this attitude. You never repeat yourself also. So ऐसा मुझे लगता है, and you should be like more humble while you're creating content. You should be a more listener. You should be observer. थोड़ा acceptance, मुझे लगता है कि आजकल लोगों का acceptance बहुत कम है, patience बहुत कम है. तो these are the,
Definitely.
सब कुछ छोड़ दो, ये दो चीजें पहले अगर अडेप्ट कर ली तो भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. अभी जो मैंने बोला वो सब कुछ छोड़ दो, सिर्फ एक्सेप्टेंस और पेशेंस का अगर तुम लोग रखोगे. क्योंकि आई एम सीइंग कि पीपल वांट, दे डू वन वीडियो, व्हाटएवर इट इज, पोएट्री, कॉमेडी वीडियो, व्हाटएवर द वीडियो दे डू वन वीडियो एंड दे एक्सपेक्ट टू गो वायरल और ट्राई टू डीएम पीपल एंड शेयर इट.
Yeah,
कुछ नहीं होगा. वो उस पे मेहनत करने से अच्छा दूसरे वीडियो पे मेहनत करो. या दूसरे कंटेंट पीस पे मेहनत करो and start मेहनत on yourself
This
rather than
advice is
pushing it.
gold. It's gold,
Yes,
Neil.
don't push your work. Never. Once it's done, it's done. It's done. It has its own faith. If it is going to work, it is going to work in any way. People are focusing on wrong things while starting whatever their content creation or whatever they are starting. They're focusing on wrong things. I always try to tell people, please focus on content more, quality more, on the be in that thing. Someday or the another, there's a one day you pick up. Social media is a very like you have good examples of this. There's one day if a content picks up, your whole
Yeah.
life can get sorted also in one day.
Definitely. And you never know what's going to happen next. But
Because the problem,
Yeah.
Aishi, what is these people like those people who get like viral like this, they get numbers. Now they don't know what to do. Like you're getting my point. Like I have been working for like 4-5 years in content creation. Even if I get 1 million tomorrow, I'll be working the same way because I know only work can help me. But if I now I am like 10,000 and tomorrow I'm like 1 lakh and I have been creating content in my chill time, then there's a sudden pressure. Okay, now what to do? Now that pressure will not make me think creative, or then again after
definitely.
going up you're going down only then. So if you want to consist this, it is always good you grow slowly, baba. It's always like I'll suggest, by don't get viral, go slowly, please go, because once you get viral the life becomes more tough. For people it's like bhai celebrity ban gaya, but for you it's like bhai meri phat rahi hai, mere ko samajh mein nahi aa raha hai.
Exactly.
So
This was
this will happen.
definitely,
the
yeah.
only thing will save you from this is if you have been consistently working towards and you're dedicated to your work. You go viral or you don't go viral, you have to keep working every single day.
Wow, Neil, whatever that you have said right now, it's quite legit and it's quite like factual, and
Yes.
this advice is gold because you can actually apply it. So I hope तुम्ही लोक book उघडून बसला आहात. Thank
Yeah,
you for being honest and just keep doing what you're doing, man. You're great, honestly. It's time for us to play the second game of this
End game.
episode. It's called Speak About This for a Minute.
Oh fuck. That's my favorite thing to do.
So what we're going to do is, it's very simple again. I again have a bowl full of chits. There are 5 chits in here, and these are your topics. You choose a number between 1 to 5, and you speak about that topic for a minute. I will set a timer on my phone, and yeah. So here's a twist for you again. I want you to do this in Marathi. Okay.
Oh.
Pick a number from 1 to 5. Go.
3. अरे यार तू पहले हंसू नको
Why
यार.
am I
What
so
is this
funny?
यार?
It's public toilet.
So it can be comedy also, it can be serious also, whatever. Na? Like, you just have to talk for a minute.
I think whatever you talk about a public toilet, it's going to turn out to be funny only.
Here's the surprise for you.
Oh my
Coming right
god. Are you all set to talk about this for a minute?
now. Okay, let's go.
All right. In 3, 2, 1, start.
हाय गाईज, तुम्ही गेलाच असाल पब्लिक टॉयलेटला कधी ना कधीतरी, पण तुम्हाला माहिती आहे तिथे कधी कधी 1 रुपये घेतात, कधी कधी 2 रुपये घेतात. सो एक बाप गोष्ट मला अशी ठाणा स्टेशनला जाणवलेली की त्यांनी AC पब्लिक टॉयलेट केलेले, जिथे अजून वास आणि अजून डोकं भनभन अंतर आतमध्ये गेल्यावर, म्हणजे लिटरली तुमचे डोळे झोमतात. बिकॉज AC गाईज, AC 2 रुपये घेतात ते तुमच्याकडनं, 1 रुपये नाही 2 रुपये, बिकॉज AC गाईज, AC. And when you the point you enter there's a waves coming in your eyes of smell. I have first time म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा मला असं वास डोळ्यात ना घेतलाय मी, असं मला वाटलं. इतकं म्हणलं 2 रुपये घेऊन तुम्ही करताय काय मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला फिनेलच्या बाटल्या आणून देऊ का, आणि तुम्ही AC लावून जी चूक केली आहे. मित्रा 2 मिनिटं लागतात तुम्हाला लघवी करायला, त्याच्यात तुम्हाला एसी का हवाय? लोक एसी मधून उठून लघवी करायला जातात, तुम्ही उठून एसी मध्ये परत लघवीच्या ठिकाणी एसी लावलाय. व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग?
And you
झालं का?
kind of I didn't even pay attention to the timer. Oh my.
आय कुड गो लाईक मोर. मला माहित नव्हतं एवढ्या लवकर 1 मिनिट संपला यार. Funny.
Okay. I think you have done again a fantastic job at describing public toilet, AC public toilet. So kudos to you. Good job. Yeah.
Whoa.
Sadly, this brings us to the end of this
End of
episode
the.
with you,
Wow.
Neil. Thank you so much for doing this for me. Thank you for coming on my show. I hope you had fun.
अरे खूप this is my first like interview where I had fun so much. I'm genuinely बोलतोय because generally the interviews are like अरे what's your journey?
Definitely. Great. Thank you.
But yeah, I had fun. Great. Thanks Ayushi, and again hope to meet you soon someday.
Yes, guys, go ahead and follow Neil right away. He posts some hilarious videos for you to watch, and you will not stop scrolling. You will get addicted, so be careful. Go ahead and check out his YouTube channels. I will put the link in the description below.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Engagement is important, guys.
I think
Right
he's
now,
done
hit
it for
like,
me.
hit like right now,
Yeah.
hit like right now.
Yes, and do not forget to comment with the next guest that you would want me to call on this show. Thank you for watching the 4th episode of the 2nd season of Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I am your host signing off. I will see you next Saturday with another episode. Thank you and bye-bye.